Hi guys, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. In today's video, I will show you how to create FTP account in cPanel and then connect with via FileZilla, where you can upload, download and edit web files. It also enables you to involve other people in managing your website without sharing your primary account credentials with them. As an FTP account will only give access to one domain name. You can provide access to a developer to one site only, improving the overall security. So how to create FTP account to see that? Let's move on the computer screen. First of all, log into cPanel. I have already logged into my account. This is the dashboard cPanel. Now from here you can create your FTP account very easily. Click the FTP account icon to create a new FTP account. Simply enter the username of your FTP account. Enter the password. Password generator. Just copy this password. Okay. Password generate. So now at this point I want to grab a notepad and note this setting for newly created FTP account. Okay, now after setting the password, you need to give this directory the root access or access to a particular folder. This directory will determine the user that he will not be able to access any other folder apart from the one specified here. And just copy the directory, paste, quota, give the quota. I am going to use unlimited for now. Create FTP account. Your FTP account will be visible here. You can change the password, change the quota or delete the account. After that, just click configure FTP line and see FTP username or FTP server visible here. Just copy. I want to notepad and note this setting. Now if you want to connect this account via FileZilla. Okay, here is the list of all the FTP accounts I am using at the moment. Now if you want to connect this account via FileZilla, simply open your FileZilla software in your PC. First go to header section. We will see host, username and password. First FTP hostname copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy the username and paste and copy the password, paste and port always 21 and quick connect. Wait for some time. In this way you will be successfully able to connect your FTP account and all your file directory will be visible on the right hand side of the screen. Alright, as you can see I have successfully connected to my account. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. Alright, thank you for watching.